Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome to Faith Divine TV. What if I told you everything we know about heaven barely scratches the surface of what's coming? The afterlife isn't just clouds, harps, and halos, it's a complete cosmic reset. Revelation 21 doesn't just describe paradise. It unveils our final, eternal home. Trust me, it's nothing like the cartoons. Let's break down the jaw-dropping, soul-stirring vision of the new heaven and the new earth and why it changes everything about how we live today. Then I saw a new heaven and a new earth. For the first heaven and the first earth had passed away. Revelation 21:1. This is not a renovation, it's a recreation. It's the old broken world we know tainted by sin, death, disease, and despair is gone, erased. Not just cleaned up, but fundamentally replaced. God isn't patching holes in a sinking ship. He's launching a brand new creation. Why does this matter? Because it proves that God's plan isn't just to save souls. It's to redeem everything. Bodies, cities, ecosystems, cultures, time itself. Salvation isn't to escape its transformation. I saw the holy city, the New Jerusalem, coming down out of heaven from God, prepared as a bride beautifully dressed for her husband. V2. You notice what happens here. Heaven comes to earth. We're not going up to live with God forever. God comes down to dwell with us. This flips the script. Eternity isn't about floating in the sky. It's about God restoring his kingdom on earth, just like Jesus taught us to pray, on earth as it is in heaven. The New Jerusalem is not just a city. It's a symbol of perfect community, holiness, and union between God and his people. It's Eden 2.0, only better, eternal, and unbreakable. Then comes one of the most beautiful declarations in all of Scripture. Look, God's dwelling place is now among the people, and he will dwell with them. They will be his people, and God himself will be with them and be their God. V3. This is the climax of the entire Bible. From Genesis to Revelation, the heartbeat of Scripture has been God longing to dwell with his people. He walked with Adam, he tabernacled with Israel, became flesh in Jesus. Now he fully lives with us. No more barriers, no more separation, no more need for temples, sacrifices, or intermediaries. Just perfect presence forever. You'll wipe every tear from their eyes. There will be no more death or mourning or crying or pain. V4. Let that hit you. Every sleepless night, every funeral, every heartbreak, every moment of chronic pain, addiction, trauma, or anxiety, gone. Not just forgotten, but redeemed. God doesn't just take away suffering, he personally wipes the tears from your eyes. This is not an impersonal paradise. It's intimate, gentle, healing. He who was seated on the throne said, I am making everything new. V5. Not new things, but making all things new. That means the things we love. Music, culture, art, beauty, community. They're not lost. They're renewed, made eternal, sanctified by the Creator. Then he says, it is done. This echoes Christ's words on the cross. It is finished. The redemption that began in his suffering now ends in glory. Verses 6-8 paint a sobering contrast. To the thirsty, he offers the spring of the water of life freely. That's grace. That's the gospel. We don't earn this new heaven, we receive it, but then comes the warning. But the cowardly, the unbelieving, the vile, be consigned to the fiery lake of burning sulfur. This is the second death. Eternity is real. Heaven is real. So is hell. Revelation doesn't leave room for spiritual neutrality. Choices we make in this life have eternal consequences. That's not fear-mongering. That's reality. The rest of Revelation 21 describes the city itself. Massive, radiant, made of gold, jewels, and crystal. Gates that never close. Foundations named after the apostles. A place where the glory of God is so bright there's no need for the sun. This is not just poetic, it's prophetic, tells us. What's coming is better than we could ever imagine. This city isn't about material luxury. It's about the value God places on his redeemed creation. It's his masterpiece. And you're invited to live there. Revelation 21 isn't just about the future. It's meant to change your present. If you belong to Christ, your future is secure. You don't have to live in fear. You don't have to chase temporary comforts or digital applause. You are a citizen of the new heaven and the new earth. But if you don't yet know Jesus, this is your invitation. The gates of the holy city are open. The water of life is free. Don't wait, because this world is fading. But the kingdom is coming, and when it does, everything will be made new. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more bold, Bible-based content that doesn't shy away from the hard stuff. So until next time, stay rooted, stay real, and keep walking with Jesus. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel.